Warren Buffett is one of the most successful investors of all time, with a net worth of over $112 billion as of now. His story is one of great success, but also one of struggle and determination. Warren Buffett was born in Omaha, Nebraska in 1930. He was the second of 3 children and displayed an early interest in business and finance. As a child, he'd buy packs of gum for a nickel and sell them individually for a penny, making a profit of 4 cents per pack. Buffett attended the University of Nebraska and then transferred to the University of Pennsylvania, where he earned a Bachelor of Science in Economics. He then went on to study at Columbia University, where he earned a Master of Science in Economics. After finishing his education, Buffett worked briefly at his father's brokerage firm before moving to New York to work as a securities analyst for Graham-Newman Corp. It was during his time at Graham-Newman that Buffett developed his value investing philosophy, which would become the foundation of his success as an investor. In 1957, Buffett met Charlie Munger, who would become his business partner and closest advisor. Together, they formed the investment partnership Buffett Partnership Limited and began investing in undervalued stocks. Over the next decade, Buffett and Munger's partnership grew, and they amassed a significant amount of wealth. In 1965, they acquired a textile company called Berkshire Hathaway, which they turned into a holding company for their investments. In the years that followed, Buffett used Berkshire Hathaway to acquire a number of other companies, including Geico and See's Candies. He also began investing in other businesses, such as Coca-Cola and American Express, which would become some of his most successful investments. As Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio grew, so did its value. Today, it is one of the largest and most successful companies in the world, with a market capitalization of over $600 billion. Despite his incredible success as an investor and businessman, Buffett has faced personal struggles throughout his life. He has struggled with a fear of public speaking, and has described himself as terrified of the idea of giving speeches or appearing on television. Buffett has also been open about his struggle with depression, which he has said began when he was a child. He has credited his wife and family with helping him cope with his mental health struggles. In addition to his success as an investor, Buffett is also known for his philanthropic work. He has pledged to donate 99% of his fortune to charity, and has already given away billions of dollars to organizations such as the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. In 2010, Buffett and Gates launched the Giving Pledge, a campaign aimed at encouraging other billionaires to donate the majority of their wealth to charity. Despite his advanced age, Buffett continues to be an active investor and chairman of Berkshire Hathaway. He has been praised for his long-term investment strategy, which has helped him weather economic downturns and market fluctuations. In recent years, Buffett has also become an advocate for social responsibility and has spoken out on issues such as income inequality and climate change. His success story is one of hard work, determination, and a commitment to his values. Through his value investing philosophy and wise business decisions, he has built one of the most successful companies in the world and amassed an incredible fortune. Despite facing personal struggles and challenges throughout his life, Buffett has remained committed to his philanthropic goals and to using his wealth to make a positive impact on the world. His story serves as an inspiration to aspiring investors and entrepreneurs, highlighting the importance of a strong work ethic, a long-term perspective, and a commitment to social responsibility. His legacy as an investor, philanthropist, and advocate will continue to inspire generations to come.